Greetings everybody, George Maurer here, and it's summertime, which can only mean one thing. For those of you that have been following bike adventures of mine for the last 10 summers, this is the 10th anniversary of the very first ride that got all this started and got all of you involved. So I'm doing a 10-day countdown by doing a short retrospective on 10 stories from 10 different rides. 10-day countdown story number 3. These are some Icelandic highlights from my first ride at the age of 50 across another country, Iceland. I figured 50 has a 0 in it, and Iceland from space looks like it could be a 0 because it's an island. So why not ride across Iceland with my friend, Grant Brooks? This video highlights all the things that we had to do to prepare for a journey across the country of fire and ice.